Good morning. Today we will be studying regarding advertisement strategy. In that, we will be studying regarding creative strategy, implementation and evaluation process. Okay, so creativity always matters a lot. We all know marketers comes with the different creative strategy for promoting their products. Okay, without creativity, the attraction will not go. It might be a banner, print media, broadcast media, or anything. Okay, so always the creativity matters a lot. So that's why you people all like Vodafone advertisement. Okay, you like Mentos advertisement, you like Sprite advertisement. Okay, you like some Coca-Cola advertisement where humor is used. They bring some more creativity in it. So beginning, appeals and execution styles. So obviously appeals matters a lot. Okay, advertising appeal, how actually it is influencing the stimulating the people in consumer behavior. We have studied the marketing efforts which we put that increase the sales, that create the stimuli. So advertising appeal, the approach used to attract the attention of the consumer, ADA concept we call, okay, to influence consumer feelings toward the product, service, or cause. So that is for car, or take a cake, take a biscuit, take a chocolate, take a soap, take a beauty care product, take a hair care product. Everything where you go, they create some feelings in you, okay, which attracts towards that product. If that advertising appeal is not there, obviously you will not attract towards those products. Creative execution style, the way a particular appeal is turned into an advertising message, what exactly it is giving. We have been discussing this example so many times. The LIC advertisement always making fear. Okay. Recently, they have come up with a humorous advertisement where Akshay Kumar has presented it like you are about to die and the Yamaraj will come and ask, do you have insurance policy? What about my kids and what about my wife? So this is fear making with the humor advertisement. Okay. The way the message is presented to the consumer. One is emotional, one is humorous way, one is cultured way. Different aspects comes. Some sari advertisement come with the culture, and some uniforms like Raymonds, they all come with the touch. Okay, the feeling which comes, what exactly they're looking for. Advertising appeal, two broad categories of appeals, not apples, sorry. Informational or rational appeals and emotional appeals. So informational rational appeal, it focuses on consumer practical aspects, average of a car, okay, how much life it gives, like Mahindra SUVs, functionality, kuch bhi ho chalega, like your Indian oil advertisement, Castrol, Gulf oil, okay, or utilitarian need for the product or services. Earlier, Maruti used to do, wherever you go, you'll find a service station for the Maruti, Suzuki. Emphasizes the features or the benefits. What features you have and what are the benefits you are going to get it from them. Messages emphasizes facts and logic. Okay, which are the fact actually? Like water purifiers, washing powder, soap, especially Dove, you can see you are not becoming very fair, but your skin is becoming soft. That what the facts they talk about. Okay, the logic behind anything they will speak. What technology they are using, because of that this is performing very nicely. But when it comes to emotional appeal, relate to consumer social or psychological needs for purchasing a product or services. As per the need or psychological, you will go for the purchasing of the product, not with the facts and figures. Many advertisers believe consumers' emotions works better at selling the brand. Yes, especially in India, obviously emotions matters a lot. That do not differ markedly from competing brands. For example, you might have seen Surf Excel ad. तो दाग अच्छे हैं. Okay, they say the दाग अच्छे हैं because you are helping others and you get the stains on your clothes, and you can wash it just in 10 rupees. So that is how they marketing. Rational appeals, if you see, feature appeal, we talk about all the features of the product, what product traits it is having. Competitive appeals makes comparison to other brands. What Tide does, always Car does, Car People does, and some cream, fairness cream also to go for this. Favorable price appeals makes price offer the dominant point why you are paying this much. There are car advertisement. Somebody can tell me which is that car. I'm not getting it. That where they speaks that just you have to giving a 15,000 mobile, 20,000 mobile to the service station for getting its service done. There are ads gone. Okay, I'm not getting that car brand name, which is that. So they are talking about appeal, just 3,000 for the maintenance charges. Okay, news appeals, news or announcement about the product. You give the news. We are coming up with this one not more megapixel camera, this much of hard GB, the processor. We are coming up. This is all about news appeals. They are launching a car. Okay, product or service popularity appeals stress the brand's popularity, how many people like it. 10 में से 9 लोग पेप्सोडेंट यूज करते हैं, 10 में से 9 लोग कोलगेट यूज करते हैं, 10 में से 9 लोग क्लोजअप यूज करते हैं. They says that is a brand popularity, they say. Informational or rational appeals, coming to the rational motives which comes up. The first is the comfort part. Obviously everyone looks into convenience. It should be economy, which should fall under your budget. Health, it should not harm your health, it should increase always. Health consciousness. For example, using the oil. Saffola always try to advertise itself as an healthy oil. Okay. So after the Saurav Ganguly went through heart attack, he was the brand ambassador for that oil company, which has indirectly affected the brand. But health always matters. Quality, yes, if you are paying high, you accept the quality. Nowadays, competition is high. Paying less also, you'll get good quality. Dependability, durability of the product, performance of the product, and efficiency. How performance is, maintenance cost, efficiency cost, how efficient your product is. Once you purchase it, don't you will get what you call 5 years of warranty guarantee. Okay, durability, chalta hai. Like paint advertisement always talks about durability. Asian Paints comes. So Aya Jeeta advertises there of Ranbir Kapoor, where you can find he win the elections, but everything comes, but paint will remain same. That is the durability. Personal state or feelings, emotional appeals, what you can do, achievement and accomplishment. Okay, obviously achievements and accomplishment always used. Complan, boost. Okay, actualization process, affection process, love and belongingness, ambition oriented, showing advertisement in such a way. 500 club soda, you can become an entrepreneur or businessman. Ambition oriented, arousal, stimulation, look different, so that can be done. Comfortness, like cars, beds, and especially the what you call, I think, yeah, beds itself, pillows. Okay, the chairs, advertisement, Neil Kamal and all. Excitement, if you're traveling people or you're looking for some long rides, especially vehicle segments, excitement you will find. And the service sector, like going to Dandeli Resort and all, there you can get it. Fear, that is all fear appeal, which always comes with the insurance people. Or cavity, sensitivity of the teeth. Okay, the problems you face with the not having proper digestion, fear appeals can be used. Happiness always used, like Cadbury does. Pehli tarikh hai, meetha khana hai. That is all happiness would say. Joy, love, nostalgia, pleasure. Okay, pride, safety, security, self-esteem, sentiment, sorrow or grief. These are also can be used for the advertising appeals, and this is very nicely used by Indian marketing strategy. Okay, Vodafone ad has came up with some new word that wherever you go, you will find a network. Two old people will go to Goa, and from there they will be having a video chat. Okay, that is all shows the sentiment. Okay, helping each other is a sentiment. There is an advertisement of a light. There is a lady at a night, she will be coming. and the security man will see that she is there, so he will switch on the light. So these are all advertisement strategies which are used. Social based feeling, acceptance of the new culture. You might have seen she's from different culture, we are accepting it. That has created huge problem in Indian advertisement recently. Tanishka. Approval, nowadays the changing culture. Affiliation and belongingness. Especially you might have seen the advertisement of Kaun Banega Karodpati, where two neighbors will be fighting on the caste based. So at the end, he will land into the Kaun Banega Karodpati. Then he will call him itself to answer the question. That is all affiliation or belongingness, we can see. Embarrassment, involvement in the aspects. Recognition, motivation. For example, तुम ऑटो में क्यों आई? ओके, नहीं वो मेरे पापा हैं, तो क्लोथ विल से यू रिकॉग्नाइज टू द क्लोथ्स. Rejection, because you don't look to perfection, then you can go to the coaching and training centers, you will be accepted. Respect to elders, हमारी परंपरा. Status, luxurious. Sophistication, again luxurious. So these are advertisement which US uses. Now transformational advertising. Okay. So it is one which associated the experience of using the advertised brand with a unique set of psychological characteristics, which would not typically be associated with the brand experience to the same degree without exposure to the advertisement. Okay, so once again, if you read the definition, you can understand it. Psychological characters which would not typically be associated with the brand experience to the same degree without exposure to the advertisement. Taste the thunder, thumbs up. You are not going to taste the thunder, but that is how they advertised. That much strong the thumbs up is. डर के आगे जीत है, Mountain Dew. Drink it, you will get motivated, you can go up. Okay, and drink the, what do you call, big, I think, which is that? Big Bull, right? Yeah, if you drink it, you will get energy. So these are things which will not actually, but somewhere related. The ads create feelings, yes, in you, emotionality or enthusiasm, images, meanings, and beliefs about the product or service that may be activated when consumer use it. Yes, that is obviously there. How Himalayan Royal Enfield is used to market, how Maruti is used to market, how Audi is used, how Maruti, every product has its own feelings, creating images. Whenever you use the product, you have that feelings in it. Transformational ads have two characteristics. One is the ad must make the experience of using the product richer, warmer, more exciting or enjoyable than that obtained solely from an objective description of the advertised brand. Okay, that is the first aspect. The second aspect, if you are going through characteristics, it must connect the experience and so that add so tightly with the experience of using the brand that the consumer can't remember the brand without recalling the experience generated by the ad. Okay, while using, you will look very Thar. I hope you all, some of you like Thar cars. Okay, Mahindras, which have some unique status oriented using it. Okay, if you are holding any brand with you, obviously it creates an energy in, especially when you are for example, I can ask this question to you also. Some of you use some Yamaha vehicle, some of you use KTM vehicle, Pulsar also use. So when you are using those bike, those characteristics are coming in you. Am I right? Because of using those bikes, the character is flowing in you also. You can answer this question. Let it be the recorder. Am I right? When you wear a new clothes, very branded one, you will show some kind of behavior using the bike. Am I right? Hello. Am I right? If you're listening, if you're not listening, that is also fine for me. When you use some products, it comes in you. No one is listening. Fine. Okay. I think girls very less you are exposed to, but boys are more exposed to this transformational ad. Okay, especially they use this such type of products. And let them not listen. Levels of relationship with the brands, emotions, personality, product benefit. Yes, you all look for this. Emotions attached to it, personality, what the product is having, and the product benefits, what you get it from it. Other types of appeals, reminder advertising. The object is to build and maintain awareness and keep the name of the company and brand in the front of the consumer. That is what Coca-Cola does. They are very well established. Just to remind you, still we are there. They go for reminder advertising always. Okay. Teaser advertising. Here you create a curiosity. We are coming up. Interest, excitement about a product. We are coming. Half advertisement and remaining will complete in the second to be continued way. So this is all where the teasing they do, especially movies they do, especially they do it for services, cars, automobiles. Okay, they all go for such type of teasers, especially for the new products they go or a new model they go, and especially I told you for movies also they are going. This is an advertised, which is market American way. Advertising execution techniques. Okay, creative execution, the way an advertising appeal is presented. Okay, straight sell or factual message you can give, science and technical evidence you can prove, ये DHA से proved है, IFS से ऐसे proved है, high technology से बना है, the advertisement which you find on Indian televisions. You can give some demonstration. ये दो दाग वाला है, ये आपका डिटर्जेंट है, ये मेरा डिटर्जेंट है. Let's use it. How much will clean? Checking the average. This all comes in demonstration. Comparing with the other products. Slice of a life. Okay. Now coming this testimonial by the users. Animations you can use. Personality symbol you can use it. What type of personality people can use? Fantasy, dramatization, humor can be added, and combinations you can use of different aspects of the marketing. So this is an ad. Dermatologists recommend acne fighter for two reasons. Oil free acne wash. Okay, first of all, you will what do you call, cleanliness will be there, smoothness will be there, treat and prevents also. First is tough on breakouts and easy on your skin. For you, it will give smooth wash, but for the acne, it will be very tough, removing the oil. So you are using two aspects in one product only. Creative tactics, print advertising. You can use headlines, okay, which is most important part, okay, because headlines are obviously you will attracted only through the headlines one. There is nothing other aspect left. Words in the leading position of the ad attract readers' attention or interest and encourage them to read the rest of the ad. Okay, direct headline, straightforward and informative about the product or service. Indirect headline, provoke curiosity or interest by use of questions, provocation, challenges. You have seen both the type of print advertisement. Okay, direct information and creating some curiosity. Are you aware about this? Are you going through this process? Are you feeling sorrow? So these kind of words can come. Subheading, smaller than the main headline, larger than the copy, used to break up large amounts of copy and highlight key sales points in it. Body, the main text portion of print ad used to present the relevant information. Content depends on appeal and execution style. You have seen, you can get some, download some advertisement copy, print advertising copy, and you can check what type of things they have used in it. Next, visual element must attract attention. Yes, without attraction, no actions. Communicate idea or image, what exactly you want to communicate. Work in synergistic fashion with the headline and copy. Illustrations such as drawings or photos can be used there. Identification marks such as trademark, logos, brand, and name. Nike come with the huge picture. There will be a football person holding, and he will be wearing T-shirt of Nike, the track pant of Nike, and shoes of Nike, and cap of Nike. Okay, the pic, no need to advertise what exactly you are into, just that much is enough. Layout or format. The physical arrangement of the various elements of a print ad, including headline, subheads, body copy, illustration, and identifying the marks. So this is how the layout comes of the any advertisement which you have seen. Depends on the size. The decision includes size, color, white, and space. This is totally depend on how they are going for advertising. You have seen so many advertising which is in print media, and you know. And basically, when Amazon comes with the big billion days, the first front page will be their advertisement, which is starting date they will highlight, and the day they will have it. And they have different dates for different segment, cloth different, technology different, and for grocery different. So they have some segments over this. This is headline, visual body copy, and identification of marks. So beside you can see the example of it. You won't find the fastest growing document output company under X. That is main attracting. Then you will read something. Then there is in small font about all the description. Creative tactics, print ad layout, size, yes, expressed in columns, column inches are portion of the page. You have seen it. Color, black and white or two, three or four color printing. White space, marginal and intermediate space on the page that remains unprinted. Components of TV commercial, what you can use here. Video, yes, matters a lot. Attraction, huge advertisement comes, but what attracts matters a lot. What is seen on the screen include decision regarding visual, sequencing, setting, lighting, talent, etc. Everything will be taken care. Audio, voices, music, sound effects. Yes, nowadays these matters a lot, especially voice, a strong voice. Okay, music behind that which attracts you, sound effects, especially when it comes to Airtel. Obviously, the music matters a lot. Okay, for some products, the voice matters a lot, and for some car advertisement, the sound effects a lot. So these are the most important thing. Voice over, delivery of the message, music, needle drop, well-known songs, jingles can be used. You know the song Naina Matakka Lagare Dil Back Seat Par Bhagare, that has been used. Okay, especially with the music and sound effects. Classic songs used in commercials. Okay, for these are all things for India. This is for US, and for India, you have just seen so many ad. Now Google is coming up with another recently ad they have come up. सामने ये कौन आया दिल में हुई हलचल. So whatever requirement they're having, where Google is making them, both the people getting interacted using that song. Okay. Television planning and production. So element of a TV commercial are brought together in a script, which is used to provide a detailed description of the video and audio content. So there are three phases of production. Pre-production, all work before actual shooting recording, that you all know. You can access any video, you can check it. Production, period of filming, taping, and recording. Post-production, work after commercial is filmed or recorded. So these are the three phases of any video advertisement is prepared. So creative tactics, television pre-production tasks, select a director, choose a production company, bidding, cost and timing, production timetable, set construction, location, agency, client approval, casting, wardrobes, production meeting. This is a process you all know. This is how they go for the creating of any television advertisement. So location versus set shoots. Yes, you can go to the real location, or nowadays everything is can made in the studio itself. They are using it. Night or weekend shoots, that can be done. Talent arrangement also can be used. Next is the television post-production task. Editing will be there. Okay, processing will be there. Sound effects should be added. Proper mixing should be done. Opticals has to be used. Client and agency approval has to be taken. Duplicating, release or shipping the advertisement. Now guidelines for evaluating creative output. Yes, question. First is consistent with brand's marketing objective. Yes or no? Consist with the brand's advertising objective. Advertising objective is different, marketing objective is different. Please keep this in mind. Consistent with creative strategy. objectives achieved or not? Does it communicate what it's supposed to? The creativity, what is including, whether is it able to communicate it or not? That is the question. Approach appropriate to target audience, communicate clear, convincing message, because targeting the products, like if you always see some advertisement, you don't understand because they are made for some target audience only. Okay, for making understanding the whole public, you have to go with the clear and convincing message. Does execution overwhelm the message which is going to be given? Appropriate to the media environment which is going on. Is the advertisement truthful and tasteful? So these are the questions which has to be evaluated for a creative output. So this is regarding today's class. So if you have any doubts,